Hi, this is Mike, WA3TTS, and we're load testing some BL20p Blade Server power supplies that are supposed to be good for 50 volts at 50 amperes. And we have a test rack here with a pair of 600 watt resistors, 2 ohms each. And right now we're pulling about 12 amps, so 4 ohms from 50 volts, and we're pulling 51.7. Better view on that. Almost 52 volts. And the line voltage is 2 times 122 right now, so we're pushing 244, 245 volts. Have about a millivolt and a half of hash on the DC line. That's to be expected. Expected a little bit there, but it's really not all that bad. I mean, 20 dB of choke will take that down real far. So, you know, that's good sign. We've had this running about 25 minutes now. Not too much trouble. Wonder what it's going to do when you light it up thing. Let's see. 180 to 240 volt, 240 degrees on the resistors. Make sure these don't get too warm. They're supposed to be good to 250 CD, so centigrade scale. Not too bad. Hard to run the camera and point this the right way at the same time. Anyway, still seeing 12 amps, 51.7 right now. And the AC garbage from the switching supplies, so still the same, hasn't changed any. I'll do one thing here. I take see if I can find a way to do this practically. Set the camera down like right here. Temporarily jumping to one position. Up to 24 amps. Power supply didn't even budge when we get down to the volt. 51.7, 51.6. Hanging steady there. Well, can't do the, let's see if I can do it like this. There we go. Like so. We're down here. Yeah, we still have good performance on the AC hash. I don't want to run this thing continuously. Even with some air cooling, pushing 1200 watts through a 600 ohm resistor is probably not a real good idea for any length of time. Anyway, this unit seems to be working okay. We're just using F-clips to clip into the back of it, and a little computer pin-out connector to make the connections for the ground. It looks like this. Upside down. There we go. No, it's right set up the first time. Remember this diagram here gives us the 3 pinouts to ground for turning the 50 volts on. We'll go back and check the heat again. This one's getting a little bit warm. We're still seeing good voltage, still seeing good, yeah, I'd expect the bottom one to be warmer since I bypassed the top one for a few minutes, so it'll probably take a few more minutes to cool off. At least I know I can do that for temporary, and, you know, load test these units to half load for 10 seconds at a time anyway. It gives me an idea that they're going to behave themselves. Well, anyway, that's the Saturday night project here. Making sure these supplies work correctly before I hook one up to a Harris amplifier. 7-3 from WA3TTS.